Hello guys, welcome to IntrepidUK again. Today we're going to do the unboxing of the Super-ePad. It's 1 GHz X220 Flytouch 2 running on Android 2.1. And this is going to be the unboxing where I'll show you all the hardware that's externally visible and all the stuff that comes inside the box that we're going to be giving away with the item. Okay, so let's get on with unboxing it. Very sturdy box. And this is the tablet, 10.2 inch. I'll show you that in a minute, full idea of it. And we've got inside the box we have a charger, mains charger, for which we have a adapter, 3-pin adapter for UK. You also have a headphone, 3.5mm headphone. Surprisingly, actually, really good quality. Let me just take it out. Give it a show. It's got secure earbuds there. Kind of nice and stylish, actually. Okay. You also get a UK manual. A stylus, which kind of fits in for this directly, the one we're going to be giving here. Like that. And a GPS, the much sought after GPS, very expensive, gives you a very strong signal for Google Maps and TomTom and Copilot and everything. GPS. Quite long, so you can even use it in your car as a stand. Let's put this aside and show you the actual tablet. There's the tablet. Nice screen. Very glossy screen. For my use, look at review on the other video for the uses and you can see how responsive it is. Around the front you have the back button, and right there you have a 1.3 megapixel webcam for your video and Skype and everything. Right there. Okay, now let's see the stuff that comes on it. Straight away we've got a Ethernet socket. But this is where the adapter goes in, power adapter. HDMI out. 2 SD card readers, MicroSD cards. Go up to 32 GB. You've got 2 USBs for all your external attachments like keyboard, mouses, and USB sticks and so forth. And you have right there, you have a 3.5mm headphone jack. All said right there. It shows it right there, everything. So HDMI, Ethernet, DC, transflash card, USBs, headphone. On the side, we have right there mic, power button, back and forward volume buttons, menu and home button. There's 2 speakers, one is there and one is there, stereo speakers. You also got a Wi-Fi turn on and off button, so you can manually turn the Wi-Fi on and off to save battery and consumption. On this side there's nothing, it's plain. And it's plain here, and you've got one little reset button there for your, sometime if it doesn't work the way you want it to work, and you can just press the reset and it takes it back to your settings. It's a fantastic tablet. And it's running on 1 GHz, and you can surf the net and everything, which you can review and have a look in our next video, which is about the actual workings and operational use of this Super-ePad. So we'll see you in the next video. In the meantime, if you need any questions or need to order, you can contact us here in this email, IntrepidUK1@gmail.com, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks.